music. Turn off the music.
Hello?
Turn off the music.
No, how are you doing, sir?
I'm Sergeant Terry, sir, to the police department.
No, how are you doing, sir? Because you recording right there, right?
Yep.
So, why you stop me?
Why are you following me so closely?
No, I don't follow you. You come to auto line, so I came to auto line.
Because you were tailgating me.
No, I'm not tailgating you.
Step out of the vehicle.
Oh, come on,
Step out of the vehicle.
Sir, you can
Step out of the vehicle right now. Step out of the vehicle.
Hey.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back right now.
You see that one?
Put your hands behind your back right now.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God. That's God right there. No. No. Why you arresting me? Why you arresting me? No. Hey, please. No. Why he gonna arresting me? No.
Oh my leg!
No. Why? Hey, please, God. Yes. God. No, please. Why you? Give me the reason.
Get down on the ground right now.
No, concern. You don't give me the reason. Sir. Chill out. Please calm down. I'm
Get down
here.
on the ground right now.
No, I'm here.
Get on the ground.
Sir. I'm here, sir. No, please, God. Please, God. Please, God. Please. Give me a reason. Give me a reason, please.
Okay. Can you hear those cuffs?
I've got one on mine.
Yep, we got the other one. Give me those
Give
cuffs.
me a reason. Let me go. Miami. Give me a reason.
Give me your hands!
Oh no, don't hit me. Please. I'm gonna die.
Relax, dude.
Okay, you gonna release me?
I got it.
He's doing it in the wrong time.
You alright?
He's doing the wrong time. He's doing the wrong time.
I got it.
Hey, my arm right there.
There you go.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
No. I'm not
Hands are in the
resisting.
way.
Hey,
Just got fat wrist. Go ahead.
hey,
You got it.
my dad is a lawyer. See?
Alright, just sit right there.
Thank you.
We got a car we can stuff him in?
Yes.
We're across the intersection.
Hey, God.
Put him in there.
Alright, Rich?
Please, officer.
Stop.
See,
Stop!
See.
Stop moving!
Hey,
Stop moving!
why?
Stop moving!
What the reason?
Stop!
Put him in the spot.
What the reason?
stuff him up.
I have a leg.
What the reason? Hey, no. Hey, what the reason? Hey, he was his fell. Hey, I don't have nothing. Hey, please.
Stop moving your hands!
Okay.
You understand what I'm telling you? Stop!
Yes.
I'm done playing games!
But why did you?
You can read it on your PCA.
Why you stop me? Please.
You guys good?
See,
that's good enough?
that guy right there. See?
Look at that.
Please. I'm here, okay? I'm here, Bobby.
Good?
I'm here, Bobby.
See it?
He's not kicking. Let's just get him to the jail. Good lord, dude.
It's like that's my wrist. Right.
Dale, can you tow this thing?
Tow it, yeah.
Just take him to the jail. I'll meet you guys there. What a fucking dude, he was tailgating the.
Yeah.
So I'm in the solid white line there. I'm like, no. I move over. He dives over behind me. I'm like, I'm trying to fight a cop right now. So I wait for him to go by me because he stopped in the middle of the road. Client goes by me. I light him up right away.
You good?
Strong, dude.